days, AI can practically do it all, from coding full-stack apps to automating complex workflows like data analysis. But here's the catch. There isn't a single unified agent that can seamlessly manage all these different tasks. Now, imagine an all-in-one generalist AI agent that can handle it all, generating full-stack applications to automating web-based tasks in your browser, and even writing 20-plus page reports, all completely autonomously, a single finger. That's exactly what Deep Agent by Abacus AI delivers. It's built to take on complex tasks, whether it's building apps from scratch, crafting detailed reports, creating polished presentations, or even integrating directly within your system. Execute multi-step agentic workflows all in one powerful platform. Just take a look at this example where Deep Agent builds a conversation-optimized web app which has seamlessly integrated Stripe as a payment gateway. And this is where it's transforming the workshop idea into a professional, ready-to-launch registration experience. And it's essentially all fully built, coded out with the help of Deep. In this case, Deep Agent was able to instantly generate a visually engaging educational deck that explains the evolution of money from barter systems to digital currencies. And it's perfect for presentations, classrooms, or explainer videos. But what's great is that Abacus AI is now bringing a new improvement to Deep Agent with the introduction of Deep Listener. This is where it is going to make it faster, more intelligent, and better integrated into your daily workflows. The all-in-one AI agent is now going to be meetings, calls, and interviews in real time automatically, where it's going to be able to highlight key items like action points, decisions, and follow-ups. New transcription feature, the listener can answer questions about what's on your screen. It can figure out your emails, spreadsheets, dashboards, and it's going to be able to provide context-aware support as you work. This is where, with integrations into tools like Slack, CRM, and project managers, you're going to be able to get insights and you're going to be able to move directly into your workflow. While enhanced summaries and multi-step automating help to focus on decisions rather than note-taking, it is designed to make you work smarter, smoother, and more organized. Overall, it will help users stay on top of your task, meeting, as well as projects. Just take a look at the Deep Listener in action, where it's able to go over to a YouTube video and it transcribes it in real time. So if you have it running in the background, you can see that it is transcribing the video. And this is where you can even chat with that transcription. So this is going to be a pretty useful tool in many different ways, whether it's automating different sorts of transcriptions or having it so that you can have a Q&A with the transcription. You can have it used for meetings, different sorts of tasks that would help you in your day-to-day workflow. But what's wild is that this Deep Agent desktop app is not only going to just get you access to the best coding agent available, it is going to also let you get access to the Deep Agent itself, which is a God-tier general-purpose agent. Then you also have access to Chapislam. This is where you can access all of the state-of-the-art models in one singular area. So this is going to give you a whole new level of unified AI in one singular place. And that is the capability of Abacus AI's Deep Agent. If you're looking to get started, you can use the link in the description below, and you can click on Get Started to sign up with an account, which is $10 per user billed monthly. And once you have clicked on this, from here you can access the Deep Agent, and you can download this coding agent directly onto your computer. You can access the Deep Agent, the general AI agent, by clicking on this button over here, and then if you want to access the new desktop listener, you can download it and open it, which is a single-click install, and then you can access the listener. Once installed, you can then start it open, and you can basically grant it the permissions that you need, like the microphone access, as well as the screen recording access. And then once you grant it that, you can click Get Started with it. But if you think about it, this is going to bring in a whole new level of customizability because you can simply use the listener with the coding agent, which is going to help you transcribe and build in real time. So if you actually go ahead and launch the desktop listener, this is where we can go ahead and we can create a new session. So let me show it to you and describe this. So we can click on Listen. Company founded early in 2022, and their mission is intelligence with everyone, which basically means making powerful AI tools accessible to anyone and everywhere. So they really tap into that open source model. And right here, you can see that it was able to transcribe it. Now make sure you actually click pause because it's going to keep continuing like you see over here. Able to transcribe it. Now make sure you actually click pause because it's going to keep continuing like you see over here. That context. So we can say what is M2, and it is going to use state-of-the-art models to then summarize that context. It is using thinking at the moment, and you can see that it is now telling us what M2 is, which is Miniax's new open-source large language model. It is being promoted for high speed and low cost. And something that you can also do is you can actually use your own voice to chat with the AI agent. And if you actually click done, you're going to be able to get a summary of the transcription, which is also great to see.